Cancer diagnosis is emotionally overwhelming, but it can also mean rearranging your schedule for weeks to meet with different care providers.
That is part of the inspiration for a new Bryan Health clinic that just opened this summer. 10/11 Now's Madison Pitch joins us in our studio with more. Madison.
Cole, Kelsey, Becky Michael was diagnosed with breast cancer in July. The mom of two says at that moment she felt like she'd lost control. But shortly after her diagnosis, she was able to meet with her whole team and drop some of that anxiety.
I had so many questions. You're sad, you're stressed, you're trying to run life like normal.
Becky had the support of her family and, she says, the support of her cancer team. After her diagnosis, she met with Bryan's team at their new breast cancer multidisciplinary clinic.
We got our plan spelled out. We got things scheduled. I felt like I was in very good hands.
The clinic brings together a variety of providers from all stages of cancer treatment. First, the surgeon, oncologists, genetic counselors, social workers, and a nurse navigator gather before the appointment to review the patient's cancer and develop a plan.
We all sit together, review the case, we look at the imaging, the pathology, discuss amongst ourselves what's the best plan for the patient, and we're all on the same page before the patient even comes in that morning.
Then the patient comes in and meets with all of those care providers in one 3-hour meeting. For the person who just got a life-changing diagnosis, that makes a difference.
That patient gets the same message throughout their providers, and they don't have questions as far as, well, how do I know what's the best treatment? So they know that they've got that consistent plan in place.
Carmen Orr is one of those providers. She's a nurse navigator, a patient's advocate and guide.
We have access to lots of resources and get them in touch with those, whether they are extra support along the way, support group information.
Becky says that initial 3-hour meeting laid out the rest of her 7-week cancer journey. She is now cancer-free.
I consider myself very fortunate, very thankful and grateful.
Since the clinic opened in July, Bryan says they've treated 26 patients. The clinic is currently located at Bryan East, but when their new cancer center opens next year near 40th and Rokeby, it'll move into that facility.